Hello and welcome back once again, everyone, to another installment of Lesser Known Roads on Virginia Writer Magazine. I'm your host, Mark Ritchie, and today we'll be exploring in the beautiful Pendleton and Highland counties on Wimer Mountain Road, which connects Snowy Mountain Road to Blue Grass. In the next few weeks, this whole region is going to explode in fall color. So as always, sit back and thanks for watching Virginia Writer Magazine. Welcome back, boys and girls, on the first official full day of fall in 2022. We're going to start this video at the intersection of 220 and Snowy Mountain Road. I guess I should close my visor. You'll have to forgive me. I've been away for a minute. Rose and I had a mild bout of COVID, which we finally fully recovered from. And this last set of tires that I was waiting for took forever to get on. All the shops are still extremely busy. He's got fresh tires and rubber. This is a really narrow road. It's not quite so windy on this portion of it, which I don't mind riding on, but I've encountered a few log trucks which use this road extensively, and it's not fun whatsoever encountering one coming in the opposite direction in a turn. And these shoulders aren't really inviting. It is a beautiful, beautiful, crystal clear day. Pilots often refer to this as severe clear. The engines like it as well. It's easy to miss this turn if you're not familiar with the road. Your eyes don't really line up with the road sign. You just have to look for a bridge disguised as a driveway. Just like to take it slow around these blind turns. You never know what's coming at you. There it is. And I like taking this in first just because there's gravel and it's steep. Right now we're still in West Virginia, and somewhere near the top we'll be crossing the state line into Virginia. And I'm hoping the sun isn't too low in the sky. I really like going this direction on this road simply because of the view. I don't think the camera's going to get it, but there's Bocephus the pig. That's what we call him. There's a puppy dog. You gonna chase me? Come on. Come on, killer. Thank you very much. So not a whole lot to see in this section, but it's going to change pretty drastically. There is a little bit of gravel, actually a lot of gravel, so Be on the lookout for that. Looks like we've had some wind. About here, we're entering Virginia. There's a nice barn quilt on that one on the left, but that truck was blocking it. This is not a fast road by any stretch. It's extremely bumpy and it's narrow. There's not a whole lot of traffic on it, but like a fine wine or craft brew, it's something you just want to savor and enjoy, especially when you get out of the trees, because there's stunning views. I'm always reminded riding through here of pictures that I've seen of the Scottish Highlands. These mounds off to the right are really cool. Some hawks flying around. Come back in front of me. I don't know if the camera got him or not. But there's like 5 or 6 swirling around. This is just a little 4-mile detour. We're approaching Blue Grass, which is in a valley between Monterey and Lance Mountains. Few weeks this is going to be popping. This is as good a riding area as there is, especially in the fall. September and October, my favorite times to ride during the year. I like looking at all the colors, especially like all the Halloween displays. This is a little residential area before the little village of Blue Grass. What a view. It's like tidal waves, one after the other. So when you get into Blue Grass, there's the Blue Grass Mercantile, and you can get a drink or snack. They also have a little kitchen that you can order custom-made sandwiches. They even have pizza. Sandwiches are excellent. And there'll be another nice little sequence of scenery coming up before we get in to the village. As always, we appreciate all the likes, shares, subscribes, and comments. If you haven't already, please jump on over to www.virginiawriter.com and sign up for your free monthly edition of the digital magazine. It'll be full of information, events, and features. Simply stunning. It's a nice little cut through if you have time and you're traveling along 220 or 250 to points where this works out. And the Blue Grass Mercantile will be just up here on the right. Well, I hope you enjoyed Wimer Mountain Road. Thanks for riding along with us, and we'll catch you soon. And thanks as always for watching Virginia Writer Magazine. Cheers.